Hey guys, Machines Mel here. I just wanted to show you this trimmer I got today for free. I went on a local buy and sell website, and the seller was advertising a set of computer speakers, and so I told him I wanted to buy them, and I went over to his house, and we got talking about equipment and machines like this, and he says, "Oh, I've got some machines I'm going to get rid of," and he walks out with this Honda weed eater brush cutter, and he says it doesn't run. He said he had it into the local repair shop, and they told him that it wasn't worth fixing. It was going to cost more than to buy a new one because this was old, and that he should throw it out. So we took it home, put it in the shed, and it sat for years, and I guess I stirred his memory about it, and he told me I could have it. He actually gave me a Shindaiwa hedge trimmer as well. I'll show you that in the next video. But so what this is it's a pretty cool unit. It's a Honda GX22 four-stroke motors. So this actually has oil, four-stroke motor oil. You can see there's a little oil dipper right there, and it's got a camshaft and push rods and valves, and it's an actual little tiny, I think it's about a 22cc maybe, GX22, 22cc four-stroke motor on the back of a heavy-duty trimmer. So this thing's got a monster head on it. It's actually the Shindaiwa Speed Feed head that's on there. And anyway, so I brought it to the shop here and put some gas into it. I went to prime it, and the primer bubble crumbled. Literally, I pushed it, and it just fell to pieces. So I had a primer bubble in the lawnmower shop in there, and I installed it and gave it a few primes, and this thing fired up and runs like nobody's business. So I have a feeling the shop just wanted to sell the guy a new one. They didn't want to bother working on this, as a lot of shops these days will say, just so you buy a new machine. They're not going to make any money selling you a primer bubble, so they'll sell you a whole new machine for $600. But that's another video. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to turn it on and try and do this kind of one-handedly. So I got the camera in my hand, but it's got a little choke right there. It's warm now, so I don't have to use the choke to start it. I was just running it. I did a little bit of trimming right over there, but I just want to show you this, guys. So you can hear it pretty quiet. Runs great. And then we got throttle. So that's a beautiful little engine. I mean, even if you didn't need a trimmer, you could use that engine on something else, or even something cool like a mini bike or a bicycle or a scooter. Who knows? But anyway, I figure I can sell this unit just the way it is, probably for $150 to $200. It's not a bad deal. I'm going to put it on a local buy and sell website and sell it, because I have no use for it. I'm sure somebody out there does, and this thing is probably going to sell within 10 minutes of me posting it, considering a new one's almost $600. Anyway, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.